the DNA of innovation, agility, which is in every day of SprintRay engineering, quickly we found this need that to push this application and indication and workflow forward, we needed to add more toughness to the material.
And that was the inspiration towards conceptualizing and developing OnX Tough, bringing in features like better translucency, better aesthetics, ease of workflow, better toughness, so it's almost an unbreakable product.
Nanofusion technology is a new technology that we've applied to this resin, and it completely changes the properties to be best in class in fracture toughness and fracture resistance.
We always look to have a better workflow for the dentist, better workflow for the staff, at the same time benefit of the patient. We want everybody to be happy. If the patient is happy, the dentist is going to be happy, and so we know that we are successful.
This one, we have both worlds, like we have stiffness and we have the fracture toughness. And that makes it very unique and the best of class in the dental market.
OnX Tough was born from a culmination of many advancements in both the filler and in the material, and even in the total workflow. We're not just a material company, we're a workflow company.
No matter how great our hardware is, it's all about having the right workflow and material. And without having the right material, you really cannot deliver to the promise of 3D printing to dentistry.
What's important for us is to bring a chair-side solution to the offices. That's the ultimate goal. That's what every dentist dream is, or every patient dream is.
This is revolutionary. Easy to remove. No need for a tool. It's crazy. You can actually deliver this in about an hour to the patient.